Students need to learn to identify letter names and their sounds. See Module 2 for more ideas around this.
In this video, you will see how the student is expected to point to the word that starts with a specific letter. This is a picture of somebody who is able to physically point, but you will have them indicate the one that starts with the first letter with a switch that says that's the one, or with a low-tech eye gaze board if they need alternative access.
We have map.
Map.
Yeah, see our pictures? Map.
Map.
You looking out the windows? Lit. Bag. Nap. We're looking for which one starts with B. B. Yeah, bag starts with B. You did it. Way to go. Okay, erase our star. You got it, buddy. Okay, let's look at our next one. Okay, ran, not, ran, not, leg, get. Which
Get.
one starts with G? G. Get starts with G. Way to go. Nice listening, bud. Okay, let's erase our star.